e4, e5. Adlala knight attacking pawn center, you defend your pawn. Adlala bishop, you play your knight as well. Two knight defense. Bese adlala knight attacking manje fried liver attack. Attacking manje leli pawn elila weak pawn elapha ku f2. You just develop your bishop as if awuyiboni lento because you've got nothing to do as well. Ayikho into obungakwenza. Uzobe seshala ngebishop, ashaye ipawn leli ngoba ibishop yakhe izoprotectwe knight. Check. Kuyakuphoqa ukuthi umove. La ngifuna umove uye ku e7. Right, next move sizophusha ipawn, attack knight yakhe. Ukushuthi iknight nebishop kuzobe kusengozini manje. Kumele akumove manje ukodwa kwakho. The only good move is to move ibishop manje. Abalekisa ibishop, then the next move uzobe semove iknight because ibishop was under attack. Bese wena uzobe usuphusha nje u d6, pawn to d6. Wenzela ukuvulela ibishop yakho, le bishop lizobe seli-attack lapha, attacking iqueen. But la uzobona ukuthi into asengayenza manje, iknight ukudlala iknight yakhe. Angafaka iknight yakhe lapha ku f7. Mayifaka iknight yakhe ku f7, i-attacka ini iqueen nerook. Angeke ukwazi ukusave kokubili. Queen is very important ukudlula irook. So sibalekisa iqueen sibeka ku f8. Right, ashaya irook. La mayiqeda kushaya irook wena zobe sewenzela manje ngoba imove yakhe elandelayo ukukasela. Asimvimba ngakasela by taking knight ibishop so shaya ipawn sithi check. Sesenza ukuthi angakaseli manje because wakasela kunzima ukubuya egameni. So la kuyamphoqa ukuthi akadle le pawn yethu manje ngani ngeking yakhe. Sesithatha knight le sishaya pawn sithi check. Yabo, it's not only check nge-knight ne queen as well. Shuthi le i-double check ngoba manje i-queen nayo icheckile, i-knight icheckile. So sekuyamphoqa ukuthi le check akakwazi ukumvimba ngoba yayibona iqueen lapha nayo ithe check. So akakwazi ukumblock, fanele amove ngoba amaphisi amabili amphuthi under check. A-spot esi-right kuphela u-e3 angakwazi ukuhlala kuso. Uzobe sethatha iqueen wena uyanaso lapha f2 and say check again. Kodwa la kubuya ngathi kunenkinga khona ukuthi iknight yakhe ayiprotectiwe. Ufuna vele ayoyidla, akayidli iknight. Mayedla iknight usufaka ibishop, check. Sisodwa ispot seking esingaya kuso, then emva kwalokho you move your queen and say checkmate. La yenye indlela part 2 engibe ngikhombisa wona. Yakhumbula part 1 ukuthi fried liver sidefenda kanjani. This one is part 2 ukubona ukuthi enye indlela yokudefend i-fried liver attack. Sisazozenza nezinye. Ngicela niphinde nilike and subscribe siqhubeke support i-channel. Siyabonga kakhulu.